Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dart and Flutter tutorial series. In today's video, we will dive into a very important object-oriented programming concept, in that inheritance. We will understand what inheritance is, why it's used, different types of inheritance, method overriding, and super keyword, and real example used in that. Let's get started. First of all, what is inheritance? Inheritance allows one class to acquire the properties and methods of another class. It promotes code reusability and helps build clean, scalable applications. Simple definition. Parent class base superclass. Child class sub-derivative class. Child inherits from parents. Line. Simple syntax class child extends parent. Okay. So this child is a class and parent class is this parent class. We extend this parent class in this child class. Okay. So this is basic simple syntax. Okay. Why use inheritance? Why do we even need inheritance? Here are the reasons we can use for reuse existing code, avoid duplicating logic, add extra features on top of parent class, improve project structure, essentially in Flutter, which is state and control and modules. Okay, so we start from the single inheritance. Okay, there are many types inheritance. We start from single inheritance. Single inheritance is the simplest form where one class extends only one parent class. Okay, so here we take some example. Class animal. Okay, so we create a class and we use a it method. Okay, this is our parent class. Now what we do? We create a simple another class. Okay, so this is child class. This is parent class. Okay, now how is called in our main data? So here in our main function, we simply create object of dog class dog t equal dog. Okay, then what we do? We direct access its methods. Okay, so some okay. See, animal is eating and dog is barking. What here we use dog inheritance behavior from animals. Okay, so each method is in a second class. Okay, so still we call from is child class. Okay, so dog inherits behavior from animal. This is the most common inheritance used in real applications. Okay, now we move to the multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance. Okay, do what the things after that. Here, so first of all, what do they create a class living being. Okay, then we create void living method. We simply print I am living. Okay, okay, so this is okay. So this is our main class. Okay, parent. Now what we do? Now we do create another class animal extends. What extend? Living extend. Okay, we simple do some animal. Okay, Okay. So what we do, we create class dog extend. Sorry, animal. Okay. This is our multiple input. Okay. Now what we do, in our main function, we simply perform it like dog d equal dog. Okay. Then access d dot living eat and die. Okay. So what we do, living is in the main three classes we use. First one is living, second one is animal, third one is dog. Dog parent class is animal, animal parent class is living. So child class is directly access is parent class or super parents. Simply you can call it simple. Okay, it's parents of parents. Okay, so here is code and this output. Okay, first of all, I'm living is come from living being, and animal eating is come from animal class, and by default when child class create a method but is come from doggy. Okay, so this is multi-level inheritance. Now what we do? Now we move to the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, when multiple child classes inherit from the same parent, that is hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so we move to, so when multiple child class inherit from a same parent, that is hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so we simple see a simple example. Example class vehicle. Okay, with void start. Here's the start method. In we print vehicle started. Okay, same thing we do another class here. Class car extends vehicle. Okay, and now we create a what car info and then this is okay. So we create a class bike. Okay, in hierarchical mode we create multiple class. Its parent class must be same. Okay, so we create car and bike class extend with vehicle. It's main. Okay, different class and same parent. Okay, so this is called hierarchical inheritance. Now what we do in bold and simple. First of all, we create car object car c equal car. Then we print c dot start c dot car info. Okay, this is car class and we do for bike. That is bike class with variable. Okay, we create a bike info. Okay, okay, so this is vehicle started. This is car vehicle started. This is bike. Okay, so this is main parent with a different child. Okay, class extends from vehicle bike extends from the vehicle. So this is called hierarchical inheritance. Okay, now we move to another concept, hybrid inheritance. Okay, that does not support full hybrid or multi-level inheritance directly, but we can achieve hybrid like being here using mixing plus extend. Okay, so we use our hybrid create mixing class, mixing keyword and last name void play music. Okay, this is our method in we print a message like playing music. Okay, then we create another class vehicle and we do start method. We print vehicle start. Okay, now what we do? Now do the access both in a single class. Okay, so what we do in the class start extends. Okay, vehicle. Okay, we can import a class so we can extend with vehicle, and what we need now we extend with engine. So what we write here? Okay, when we use mixing, that we need to extend with given. Okay, extend vehicle with music because music is mixing. Okay, targets the parent class features and mixing features. This is used heavily